In this real review of Latitude, launching August 31st, 2021 on Warrior Plus, from Jono Armstrong and Ashley Digital, the easy laptop income without online marketing, ? How this 12-year-old cracked a $2.5 billion loophole for over $2,743 passively every week in under 15 minutes a day with 100% free buyer traffic. We're going to take a look inside of the Latitude members area and talk about what the training is and what the training is not. Now, there's quite a few bullets here beside this video sales letter. That is quite interesting. You should watch the video just to enjoy that. But the idea here is 5 figures per month, push button system, developed and proven by a 12-year-old. You've never seen anything like this. It mentions you get some free software. It also mentions here free buyer traffic from a leading platform. Cash in from the crypto explosion without risk or investment. Absolutely no boring, saturated BS online marketing crap. We'll address that. 10,000% beginner friendly. If a 12-year-old can do it, why not you? Results are your money back. Of course, they're tapping into the idea here that William, the 12-year-old you see here on the screen, who actually does the videos and the training, and quite honestly, does quite well at giving you the information that he has available. And this training is supposed to allow you to tap into the digital gold mine, which is the multi-billion-dollar market that's growing at 1,785%, which is the NFT market. Now, if you don't know what NFTs are, that is the point of this training. The point of this training is to introduce you to NFTs, how to create them, how to use them to make money. So it starts off with a welcome to Latitude. This is a 3-minute video for Jono Armstrong. Make sure to remind you to watch the live training call, which if you click on the button takes you over to where you can register for this live training webinar. The simple 2-step passive rotator model I used to generate $160,000 per month by outsourcing work to others. Of course, that has nothing to do with NFTs, and that is what you are here for. So you go to the overview video. The overview video is Ashley Digital. He is the second person that you see here in this video. Again, I recommend you watch this video. It's quite entertaining. And it also, in my opinion, shows you what Latitude is about. The idea that they're just having a good time, selling you a product. And if they deliver on the promise of the sales page, it would actually be a quite pleasant experience. But the simple fact of the matter is, once you get in here and you get the welcome from William with a link to go over to subscribe to his YouTube channel, Epic Product Reviews, and then you come back and you actually dig into the training, he's going to take you through how to set up a MetaMask account. Now, at a very high level, if you don't know anything about NFTs, which I did not when I bought this training, I would say that yes, you get some general high-level information here because William does introduce you to this idea of getting a MetaMask account as well as joining OpenSea.io, which you see here in this video, which is 1 minute and 46 seconds, how to access your OpenSea and MetaMask accounts. Here is how to optimize or customize your OpenSea profile. Basically, this is adding a banner and a picture to your profile. Then it jumps into how to create a collection. This is 4 minutes and 17 seconds. And what they do is they show you some free software here, Inkscape, Pixie Engine, and how to access Night Cafe. But in this 4 minutes and 17 second video, William, who is 12 years old, and while William, who is 12 years old again, does a really good job of presenting the information he has to give to you, the problem is it's just lacking. There is nothing here about how to actually create the collection. This is just how, once you're inside of OpenSea, how to upload your collections, how to upload the NFTs that you've created, which is this link here to access Night Cafe. This takes you over to nightcafe.studio, which is an AI art generator where you can create amazing artworks using the power of artificial intelligence. Start with a photo and recreate it in any style or make art from nothing but a text prompt using VQGAN plus clip. So basically, the idea here is you come here and you create images using this AI generator, and then you turn these into NFTs. But the problem is none of that is here in these training videos. This is just how to upload to OpenSea after you've created them, but not how to actually create them. And the next issue I have here is once you get into this video, you can see there's a complete and total disconnect from what I think is a script that was given to William to teach this information, because the theme and the idea, if you were to follow along with the sales video as well as the image that you see here of like a military uniform, is the idea that this front-end members area of Latitude is basic training, and there's going to be an upgrade or an advanced training, as William calls out to links to check out additional training in what is called advanced training, as he's talking about welcome to basic training. But this never happens. These links aren't here. And the simple fact is that inside of this video, all he does is walk through how to upload an NFT that you created. And again, it is never shown how to actually create an NFT in any of these videos. Then it moves on and it shows you how to add Ethereum to your MetaMask account. Of course, this is the crypto side of the house. And what they do is they give you options if you don't want to use MetaMask, how to use these other options, which again are cryptocurrency. And basically, blockchain and Bitcoin is all how this works. It's how you actually design an NFT. You set the value and the value can't be changed, and all that is protected inside of this technology. Then it moves into how to list an item for sale. Again, this is inside of OpenSea, because OpenSea is a marketplace where you list your NFTs that are for sale. And then once you have your NFTs for sale, people are supposed to be able to find them. But they give you a few traffic sources, which the first one is Discord. And they tell you to go to Discord, open an account, and they give you the links here for Discord for Mac and PC, as well as Android and iPhone. Then in this video, the actual traffic source to figure out how and what Discord groups to join is to go to Twitter, where again, William walks you through how to use Twitter to find out people that are posting, buying, and selling NFTs. And that is the basic idea here. Create NFTs, post them to your OpenSea account, use a MetaMask account to fund your cryptocurrency to make sure that you can trade in NFTs, and you use Twitter and Discord groups to drive traffic to the NFTs that you create. But there's no actual training in here about creating an NFT. So again, at a high level and an introductory course, it is very basic. I wouldn't recommend buying it. I would recommend going to Google and typing intro to NFTs. Scroll down and you see this article, A Beginner's Guide to NFTs for Crypto Art. Click on this article over at builtin.com. Scroll through and read and understand A Beginner's Guide to NFTs for Crypto Art. Read this article, because at the end of this article, it's going to explain to you the thing that you have to understand. This article also includes 3 popular NFT marketplaces, OpenSea only being one of them, Rarible and Foundation being the other 2. And then I've highlighted this, start mining now. From a content creator's perspective, there's never been a better way to display and sell digital creations. If you've been curious about blockchain, NFTs, or crypto art, use this guide as a gateway to start exploring right away. For a relatively low cost, you can get into the market and start building up a following today. Again, this is the idea. You have to create your own unique and original NFTs. Then you have to enter the market and you have to start building a following, which is the purpose and the point of joining Twitter and understanding and searching for NFTs, other people that are interested in buying and selling NFTs, as well as joining Discord and the groups in Discord where people are promoting and selling their NFTs. But the thing you have to do, and they don't show you in this training, is you have to understand how to start minting. So take that idea to Google and Google start minting NFTs. Here is a complete guide to minting an NFT. It tells you how you can start the process of minting an NFT. Of course, if you go to this guide, it's going to give you a complete guide to minting an NFT. NFTs, of course, being non-fungible tokens, and how to mint an NFT. This information right here is not in Latitude, but it is freely available at help.foundation.app, where you can scroll through and you can see exactly how to mint, which means creating an NFT that you can then go and build a following over on OpenSea. And then, of course, using something like Twitter and Discord that they reveal here. Again, not delivering on the promises or the hype of the Latitude sales page. How this 12-year-old cracked a $2.5 billion loophole for over $2,743 passively every week. There is no case study inside of the front end of Latitude. And the simple fact that this was developed and proven by a 12-year-old, yes, the 12-year-old that gives you the training did a good job in as far as presenting the information he had, or the way that maybe it was organized originally, but it breaks down and you can tell that the script that he's reading from is not followed through inside of the members area. And the fact that you've never seen anything like this, again, if you're interested in NFTs or know anything about them, you already know this information, Because again, the information here is not about NFTs and how to create them or mint them. It's only about how to open up an OpenSea account, upload the creations that you create, but no way or no information on how to create them. And then a little bit about adding Ethereum to your MetaMask account to fund this entire thing so you can start trading in this world of Bitcoin, blockchain, Ethereum, and selling these NFTs that you create. And then it moves on to the upgrades. Of course, you can click and you can upgrade to the funnel, which I'll show you right here, which is upgrade number 1, which is Latitude Pro. It's the hands-free way to cash in on this unique system where you can show others how to flip NFTs. Then upgrade number 2 is the Elite Insiders Club, direct access to our Insiders Only Club, where the richest NFT players share up to the minute shortcoming and strategies. Again, you're dealing with Jono and Ashley. They say they've created this Elite Insiders Club about the richest NFT players. They're going to share that inside information with you. Latitude Deluxe, more advanced training on how to leverage digital arts inside of collections to 10x your income. Unlimited traffic. Here they're going to offer you a $197 upsell to get access to what they call unlimited traffic. And then upgrade 5, the Ultra Reseller Rights Bundle, to sell Latitude, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, and TweetX, which are all their other products, as your own product and make 100% of the profits. That is the funnel once you get inside of Latitude. And of course, they have some bonuses here. If you click here to access the bonuses, Jono has some free traffic from YouTube training, a $0 to $100 in 24 hours, an old product called Vanquish, and an old product called Fuego Breakout, which all this training and these products is all about doing affiliate marketing and selling your own product or selling other people's product, which Latitude is not about that, according to the sales page. Also, if you click here on the free traffic from YouTube, it takes you over to the YouTube ranking bonus course. You can see this is a video that Jono did in 2017. If you scroll down, you're going to see a few comments here, kind of confusing. Jono, in your bonus course, there's a freeze on the same page from 4 minutes to 7 minutes. Then you see a comment here, Jono, this is amazing. I can't wait to try it out. But then there is a reply here that says, hey, if you really understood this video tutorial, you're way ahead of me. The freeze blew it. The lack of actually doing what he said step by step left me without understanding. But most important was his lack of explanation of VPNs for those of us on a Mac. He only told the Windows users what to do. If you can shed any light on the strategy, it will surely be appreciated. Same here. The video froze for me. And you can see here these comments were from 2 years ago, which is funny because this super training that he's going to give you is from 2017. YouTube has changed tremendously since 2017, and what he's showing here by actually using expired Web 2.0 and this product that you'd have to purchase called SynLab to do this, to rank your YouTube videos. Even in 2017, it was still gray hat on the way to black hat. And now in 2021, these strategies and tactics and techniques simply will not and do not work. So if you're looking for a high level introduction to NFTs, this possibly could give it to you, but understand that this is delivered by a 12-year-old who, while seems to be doing the best he can, reading and following a script to show you this information, it just simply does not deliver. Like I said, it seems like he has a script that doesn't align with the members area and the overall theme that they're trying to give here about a military operation or some such nonsense in the video sales letter that you can watch here. Again, I'd recommend that you go to this page and watch this video and let me know in the comments what you think of the video sales letter on Latitude. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. But for this product, it's a pass. If you want to learn about NFTs and how they work and how to create them or mint them, simply go to Google, look it up, get familiar with it, and then look for a better training that actually provides real information from people actually doing this other than this page, which promises a 12-year-old is going to show you how he does it, from two marketers that are doing nothing but selling you the promise of making a lot of money for very little work, which again, in my opinion, this product and this training does not deliver. So I would say hard pass, skip. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click it, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the one you see here. Click that, watch it. I'll see you there and I'll talk to you later. Bye.